So we freaking made it to Durhamtown Off-Road Park here in Georgia. This place that we're staying in is not much, but it would work. Hit like horrible traffic on the way here, so going to bed.
All right, so we rolled in super late last night, like 1 o'clock in the morning, and pretty much immediately just went to bed, got a good night of sleep, and woke up to everybody riding around this morning. So we're super excited to get out there and see what these trails are like. It's a perfect day for it, so we couldn't ask for anything better. So our cabin that we're staying at, we're pretty sure the heat didn't work last night. We both woke up and it was like super freaking cold. But luckily we brought our own sleeping bag, so that was good. And Brock got a flat tire, so he's getting ready to be changing that now.
Huh?
There's an armadillo just like cross right now.
That's not good.
Alright, so it's going to take us about 8 hours to get back home, but we're both still wanting to ride a little bit more. And so we are going to take off and go ride some tracks, go ride some trails for a little bit this morning. And then, yeah, and then hopefully stay awake for this 8-hour drive back home. So should be getting home probably pretty late, but that's alright. It's going to be totally worth it. Up and headed home. Overall, fantastic trip, totally worth it. This guy is ruining my audio, but totally worth it. Definitely will be back.